Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode of Me Plus Everything. In today's video, I'm doing a mukbang for you, and guess what I have? Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I just made these, so we're just gonna get right into it. If you are not yet subscribed, please do just click that subscribe button right here, and then also too, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. All right, so we are just gonna get right into it because I don't want this to cool down, because what I have for you guys today are some cheesy corn dogs, and this is just cheese sticks. It's not hot dog in it. It's a Korean version of an American corn dog, but it's just cheese instead. And I got this recipe from Seokyoung Longest, and I will leave a link in the description box down below to her recipe, so go and check it out. But I just made this, and you know what, I'm just gonna eat it, okay? And then you guys will see. So it's coated in sugar, and there's just cheese on the inside. I'm gonna attempt to do a cheese pull, so let's hope it works. Wow. Oh no! Oh my god, that was a fail. That was so good. Oh my god. You guys, look at it. Focus. Oh my god. I think I got this like perfect. Okay, this thing is like broke apart. That was not supposed to happen. Okay. You know what? We're gonna set this one aside. I'll eat it, but it doesn't look pretty anymore. So we're gonna set it aside. And we're gonna try another one. Now, oh, these are like slowly cooling down. So I don't know if I'm gonna get the cheese pull anymore. But in the video, she eats it with ketchup or sriracha ketchup and then honey mustard. But I didn't want to do or to mix my ketchup with sriracha, so let's go ahead and just, oh, you know what? You guys can't even see that. Let me, let's do that. Okay, you guys. Oh my god, I didn't even do a thumbnail. Okay. All right, you guys, let's try this one out. This is so bomb. I don't know why or how, but the honey mustard and ketchup goes really well with it. She was definitely right in her recipe video. I think I pulled out all the cheese. Oh. You guys, it's so crunchy. Because there's panko breadcrumbs on here. This is so good. Oh no, this one broke. It's not gonna come off pretty. Okay. I think I prefer it with the ketchup and honey mustard. So I'm definitely glad that I got some ketchup and honey mustard. Oh my goodness! That is too much. Okay, I'm gonna have to hold on to the end here. Alright, let's try this. Guys, this is like becoming a fail. Look. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is a messy one. So definitely prepare. Now, I did try to follow her directions when she said to make sure to get the batter on the stick so it doesn't pull off, but I feel like the batter is so like delicate. It's not like as thick and tough as like normal corn dog batter. Like if you look inside here, it's really fluffy, which is good. Like I'm not complaining. It's just, you know, it's hard to kind of hold it together. But it's very airy. The batter is great. Her recipe for this batter is like really good. Oh man. Okay, you know what? Screw this stick. I just destroyed this, but whatever. So there's sugar on this as well. It's weird how it all goes together. It's like if you take a you know, those mini donuts at the fairs, the sugar coated mini donuts. It's if you take those and you dip it into ketchup and mustard. It's like that. Because it's those mini donuts, like it's very airy too. Oh my gosh, my eye is twitching right now, my right eye. I wish this was as successful as I wanted it to be. I mean, hey, I got the cheese pull though, right? A little bit of it. I'm gonna make this again later for my fiance when he gets home. He's gonna be so excited. So for the string cheese, I just used, for the cheese, I just used regular mozzarella string cheese. But, I mean, you can use cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese that you like. I just think that the reason why people use mozzarella cheese is to get that pulling effect, you know? I don't think you get that from other cheeses. I don't know. I should have experimented, but I was too excited. I just wanted to try it, and it was a good turnout. Now, I don't know if this stuff, can you guys see that? Like, it's kind of gooey. I don't know if that's from the cheese or if that's some of the batter that did not get cooked thoroughly, but I don't know. However, you guys, this was definitely a success. Although everything fell apart. But you guys should definitely try it. It's a super easy, simple recipe. That's why I tried it. Whenever I look for recipes, I look for very simple, easy recipes with easy ingredients. Because yeah, I mean, who wants to cook with like a gazillion ingredients, right? I hate that. So, this is gonna be a super short one today, you guys. I really like the panko bread crust. It adds a lot of crunch. I think I can definitely do without the sugar, but I don't know. Man, I should have made like 2 more. I thought 3 was gonna fill me up, but the batter is very light, so you don't feel as full. At least to me. Still gonna go on a major walk after this though. I could just eat the crust all day. The batter, the outside. All right. Well, I think if you guys attempt to do this, sorry, it looks a mess right now. I apologize. Let me cover it up. Okay, so if you guys do end up trying this recipe from Sukyeon Longest, I will leave the link in the description box down below. If you do end up trying it, eat it right away. That way you will get the melty cheese pull. Because for me, right after I cooked it, it sat for maybe like 5 minutes because I still had to set up my microphone. I totally forgot to set up my microphone, and then I had to like quickly kind of just gather like last minute stuff to prep for my recording. So it kind of cooled down. So I didn't get that cool of a cheese pull shot. But if you guys do make it at home, eat it right away. I mean, you know, not right away, don't burn your mouth, but give it, you know, a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes to cool down, because it cools down fairly quick. So yeah, eat it and just get that cheese pull. That cheese pull, I think, to most of us is like very satisfying. So yeah, that was what I was aiming for, and I somewhat got it. So all right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I know that was a super quick one, which is so crazy because my mukbangs are usually very long, but I just wanted to share that recipe with you guys, and introduce you, if you guys don't know, introduce you guys to Korean street. Okay, so this is it's a Korean street food. Yeah, Korean street food. So they have kind of made it their own, and instead of add hot dogs, they add in cheese, which is, I think, a genius idea, because who doesn't love cheese? I mean, right? So yes, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed that cheese pull, and also don't forget to share and comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.